Om Gam Ganapate Namaha. 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 What's going on, everybody? Ahmad here, and I just wanted to talk more about this being the year of Lord Ganesha and why you should have a Lord Ganesha yantra in your home or in your temple or on your person, or you should just have a Ganesha yantra or Ganesha statue with you. And this is the warrior version of Ganesha right here, which is this the time of the warrior Ganesha. But also, if you want to tap into the energy of Ganesha, you can tap into the human form of Lord Ganesha, which is the image you see before you right now. And why Ganesha? Why Ganesha? Why get the Ganesha yantra? Ganesha is the fundamental God of wisdom who removes all the obstacles that stand in your way of success. Obstacles are things we do not foresee and thus cannot plan for. Offering prayers to Lord Ganesha to remove obstacles is a customary practice before undertaking any task. This ensures a project moves forward successfully. To remove obstacles and negative forces that prevent your spiritual and material progress, this yantra comes handy. The Ganesha yantra is a sacred energy device that infuses within you the power to focus and accomplish your goals. The radiations from the yantra will enhance your positive spirits and stimulate your confidence level to succeed in all your efforts. Right now, I want to talk about the specialty of the Ganesha yantra and the mantra, or having the Ganesha warrior image or human image in your possession. Ganesha is the given foremost privilege in all the divine rituals of being invoked first. Your fervent prayers to his yantra will bring about positive reverberations into your life and living space. The sacred energy of the device will improvise your mathematical skills and problem-solving techniques. If you are planning to undertake your own business, or if you are stepping into a new phase of life, Ganesha yantra will be the best solution to curb all the impediments that could block your way to accomplishments. So, Ganesha is the deity that helps to activate within you the energy that's needed to remove obstacles that you experience on your path to a better life. And this is the warrior Ganesha. This is the time of the warrior Ganesha, or you can tap into the human Ganesha, which was just displayed on the screen. But this warrior Ganesha, when you use the mantra of the warrior Ganesha, you tap into this energy, and there is nothing. There is no obstacle. There is no challenge. There is no level of defeat. There is no dismay that can break you from achieving all the goals that you have set forth on your path. Because you have Ganesha within you. You are the embodiment of Ganesha. You are Ganesha. And this is the year of Ganesha. This is the time of Ganesha. This is the time to break through the many challenges that have plagued you on your path and that have stopped you from achieving all that it is that you are meant to achieve. It is your time, and you just have to be able to tap into this energy. And my goal is to give you the mantra that will help you to develop and tap into this energy and break those obstacles. Because if you look at this as just a statue or just a figurine, then that's just what it is. But if you look at this as a symbol of spirit and in a representation of breaking those obstacles that have stopped you from achieving all that it is that is meant for you to achieve, all the goals that you have set forth on your path, then that's just what this will be. So the mantra for Ganesha is Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha. So, I don't know how that just happened, but I'm not trying to copyright infringe or anything like that, so don't try to flag my video. You know, it was nice. It was a nice addition. I did not press anything to make that happen, so don't try to freaking flag my video. I do love Alicia Keys, so apparently, if you want to tap into Ganesha, get you some Alicia Keys, and you'll be able to tap into this energy. See, and I can see how her music represents breaking obstacles, because her music is a representation of breaking through challenges that you face every day, that we all face. She's like one of my favorite musicians. I did not press play. I did not do anything. My phone just did that on its own, so do not try to get me for copyright infringement or anything like that. Alicia Keys, we love you. I love you. And apparently you're connected with this energy somehow. And your music is a way of breaking through many obstacles that people may face on their path. So you should feel very special right now. But the mantra for Ganesha and the Ganesha yantra is Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha. 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 Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha.